Hi, teachers. Let's see here. Hope distance learning stuff has been going good for you. I just wanted to show you something that I discovered just a week and a half ago about. I just want to share it with you. It's when Google Classroom integrated with Google Meet. It's just a real easy way for students to connect with you in a Meet instead of making codes and meetings and then emailing them out to people. So if you already know this, then just stop the video. You're fine. Don't worry about it. If you're interested in seeing it, keep going. What happened on the classwork page, let me go to that real quick. This Meet button showed up in my 7th grade class and not in my 6th grade class. I really like this because what it is, if I go to Meet, if I click on it, it automatically opens up a Meet, and you can just hit join now and go into a Google meeting. Now there's no need to email this out to other students if they're going to go into it. Let me close that just real quick. All they have to do is say, hey, I'm going to be on at 9 o'clock. You can just go into Meet. If they go into their Google Classroom, they click on Meet, they will be in the same meeting as what you are. Students cannot initiate a meeting. Students cannot go into there and say, hey, I'm in this meeting, then have other students join them. But teachers can initiate a meeting. So if you just go into there, like I've done a lot. A kid gives me an email, just, hey, can you help me out on this real quick? Whatever we're doing, building the website or whatever. And I just say, yeah, go to Google Classroom, go to classwork, click on Meet, and I'll be there. It's just a real easy way to do it. Now, if you don't have that Meet button there, you may have to turn it on. I found out in my 6th grade class, I did have to turn it on. So go to settings, boom, right there. Go down a little bit, and then Meet is right here. And then you just turn that on, visible to students, and then that button will show up. Let's see if I can get back there. So this Google Meet button will show up. So yeah, use it if you like it, whatever. Hope you guys are having a great time and getting lots done. Bye-bye.